Class is now in session. Can somebody cut the lights? A. Ambitious.
ADPi really allows me to just go after what I want, and they give me all the opportunities to chase my ambitions, and we have such a collective group of women. Every day I just feel like I'm surrounded by people who support me to the highest level.
D. Dedicated.
Without ADPi, I never would have had the courage or confidence to walk in and out of every room like I truly belong there and have a place there.
P. Powerful.
I thank this chapter each and every single day, not only for the fun memories and best friends, but for the girls that value me and push me to be the best person I can be each and every day.
I. An inclusive, intelligent, and incredible group of women that we're lucky enough to call our sisters. But you already knew that.
Every time I walk inside the ADPi house, I am just overwhelmed with the sensation of true friendship, happiness, and I just know that I'm going to be able to go in there, be relaxed, and be surrounded by people that are going to fit whatever need I might have. The girls inside this house, like within the walls and around campus, really are like the best support system I could ever ask for.